Hello and welcome to Learn English Podcast 360. I'm happy you are here today. Today, I will share something very important for your English journey. Many learners always translate in their head before speaking. Maybe you do this too. You think in your first language, then you try to change every word into English. This makes speaking slow and difficult. But imagine this. What if your brain could think in English directly? No translation, no delay, words just come out in English. Sounds good, right? In this lesson, you will learn why thinking in English changes everything. You will also learn about the mistakes that stop you and 5 powerful steps to train your brain. Plus, I'll give you simple daily practice that you can start today. So relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. Why thinking in English is so important? First, let's ask a question. Why is thinking in English so important? Here is a simple answer. If you always think in your first language first, your brain must work twice. It makes you slow and it makes you less confident. It's like carrying 2 heavy bags when you only need one. But when you train your brain to think in English, many good things happen. You can speak faster, words come to your mind quickly, you can listen better, you understand people faster, your pronunciation gets clearer, you hear English sounds in your head, you feel more confident, you don't stop to translate every time. It's like changing the main language on your phone. When you change the language, everything becomes natural in that language. In the same way, when your brain's main language is English, everything you do in English feels easier. Common mistakes that stop you. But many learners make mistakes that stop them from thinking in English. Let's talk about 4 of the most common mistakes. Mistake 1, translating every word. This keeps your brain in your first language. You will never move forward if you always go back to your old language. Mistake 2, trying to make perfect grammar sentences before speaking. This makes you slow and nervous. You want to say something simple, but you stop to check grammar rules in your head. By the time you are ready, the moment has passed. Mistake 3, being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal, but fear stops practice. If you are afraid to say anything, you don't practice, and without practice, you cannot improve. Mistake 4, living in your first language only. If you never use English daily, your brain will not switch. If you only use English in class and then forget it outside, your brain will stay in your first language. Here is a reminder. Once you see these mistakes, you can change them. Small changes bring big results. 5 steps to train your brain to think in English. Now let's talk about the most important part. 5 steps to train your brain to think in English. These steps are simple. You can do them every day. Step 1, use English labels in your mind. Look at things around you and name them in English. For example, table, chair, door, phone. Do this many times a day. When you see something, say its English name in your head. If you want more practice, make a short phrase. For example, this is my chair. That is a big door. The phone is black. The table is clean. This helps your brain connect English with the real world. Step 2, make mini stories. Choose 2 or 3 objects and make a story. It does not need to be long. It can be very short and very simple. For example, the book is on the table, the phone is under the book. I read the book and I use the phone. Or the cup is on the desk. The cat looks at the cup falls, the water is on the floor. Simple stories like this help your brain connect English words. You will remember words better because they are in a story. Step 3. Ask yourself easy questions. Talk inside your head in English. Ask simple questions. For example, what time is it? How do I feel? What do I want to eat? Then answer in English. I feel good. I want bread. It is 9 o'clock. When you do this often, English becomes your thinking tool. It will feel more and more natural. Step 4. Change daily habits into English habits. You don't need extra time. Just change small habits. When you cook, think in English. I cut the apple. I drink water. The soup is hot. When you walk, think in English. The sun is bright. The street is quiet. The air is cool. When you clean your room, think in English. I move the chair. I wash the cup. The bed is soft. These small habits train your brain every day. Step 5. Practice English listening and shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time. This is a powerful tool. Listen to slow English audio. Repeat what you hear. Even short sentences help. For example, if you hear, the sky is blue, say, the sky is blue. If you hear, I like coffee, say, I like coffee. This trains your ear and your brain at the same time. You hear the rhythm of English, and you practice speaking it too. Daily practice to make it a habit. Now let's turn these steps into a daily routine, because only practice makes it real. In the morning, when you wake up, say one plan in English. For example, today I will go to work, I will eat lunch at noon, I will call my friend. In the evening before bed, review your day. For example, I met a friend, I watched a movie, I cooked dinner. Also, choose 20 minutes each day to think only in English. No translation, no first language, just English thoughts. And keep an English journal. Every night, write 3 to 5 simple sentences. For example, today was a good day. I ate rice and chicken. I walked in the park. It does not need to be perfect, just right. This habit makes English part of your life. What to expect now? Let's be honest. You will not think in English 100% in one day. Progress is slow but sure. Your brain needs daily training. It's like exercise for your body. One workout does not make you strong, but many workouts make you healthy. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Focus on speed and practice. And remember, even native speakers make mistakes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is fluency. So let's repeat the key benefits. Thinking in English makes speaking faster. It makes listening easier. It makes your confidence stronger. Every small step you take today helps your future English. Don't stop. Don't give up. Your brain can change, and it will change if you keep going. If this podcast helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more English practice. And tell us in the comments, what English thought did you have today? Think in English, live in English, and grow every day. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.